Hi folks, welcome to ShirlJun Vlogs. Today's tutorial, I want to show you how to update YouTube application. Updating YouTube application is very important to work the apps efficiently. But before we continue, let's enter first and we will continue our tutorial. Okay folks, let's continue. Tap your Play Store in your Android phone. And then in the search bar, type here YouTube. It's already there. And then as you can see in the open, if that is update, you can tap the update to update your YouTube application. If not, you have to tap this YouTube logo. And you can see here uninstall and open. And you can see my last update, that is September 9, 2022. Then another way how to update is this. If you cannot see update, just tap this arrow, 1, and then 2, and then you can see your profile picture. Tap your profile picture. And you can see, settings. Tap the settings, then tap network preference, and then tap auto updates, and then must be over Wi-Fi only, then tap done. So it is very easy to update on a YouTube application. That's it. Okay folks, that's the end of the tutorial. I think you learned something. Consider to subscribe our YouTube channel ShirlJun Vlogs and hit notification bell so you will be notified with our latest video. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.